the world of nature. Deep within this world of ours are treasures to behold, gems of precious beauty, mysteries that unfold. What is the mystery? What is the mystic power? What is this energy that is working hour by hour? We all take it for granted. It beautifies this place. It creates peace and harmony, places a smile upon your face. No matter what you do to it, the power is always there. It will never be destroyed, created for all to share. What is this exquisite beauty deep within our earth? Who created this power? And the mother who gave birth. We don't have far to look. Mother Nature is the prize, given to us by God, so powerful and so wise. Enjoy the gift He gives to you, as it's for all to gaze upon. It is for all to protect it, for when it's gone, it's gone. Nature. The violet and the snowdrop, the crocus and the rose, Nature's very proud of them, for all of them she grows. The perfumes and the colours are given for all to see, and Nature sends her workers who do their work for free. They take nectar from the flowers to pollinate the trees, for although they are very small, we must all thank the bees. The nature of this world is a wonder to behold, the many conditions we endure, from heat to very cold. They work like a great machine, a continuous cycle of power, for the elements that control the weather are changing hour by hour. We all take it for granted, never question its source. It falls within the laws of the universe, where all things take their course. The world is full of energy, of light, love and power, which gives nature all she needs for her to create a flower. Let us not forget the source from which the power came, the divine power of creation. We all should know His name, a name that fills the hearts of men with courage from Him above. The name of that divine source is God, in whom we love.